अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, आइए सीखते हैं वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एब्रीविएशंस यानी कि फुल फॉर्म्स पार्ट नंबर 3। SBCA is stand for Sin Building Control Authority. FDMA is stand for FATA Disaster Management Authority. PDMA is stand for Provincial Disaster Management Authority. NDMA is stand for National Disaster Management Authority. AJK is stand for Azad Jammu and Kashmir. GB is stand for Gilgit Baltistan. ICT is stand for Islamabad Capital Territory. Islamabad Capital Territory. KPK is stand for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. NSPP is stand for National School of Public Policy. PILDAT is stand for Pakistan Institute of Legislative Development and Transparency. JPMC is stand for Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center. PSF is stand for Pakistan Science Foundation. दोस्तों, ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को शेयर करें,